Ever get paid your salary and then you just spend it? What if your investments could pay you, but instead of spending the cash, they automatically used that money to make you even richer? This is the magic of dividend reinvesting. It's one of the most powerful strategies for long-term wealth building, and it's simpler than you think. What is dividend reinvesting? First, let's refresh. A dividend is a portion of a company's profit that is paid to its shareholders. It's like a thank you gift for being an owner. Dividend reinvesting is when you automatically use that dividend money to buy more shares of that very same company. Instead of the money being paid to your bank account as cash, it's immediately put back to work in the market. Many brokerage firms and companies on the Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE, offer a dividend reinvestment plan. DRIP, the power of compounding, the secret to wealth. This is where the real magic happens. By reinvesting your dividends, you get to experience compounding. Imagine you have GHS 1000 invested in a company that pays a 5% annual dividend. Year 1, you get GHS 50 in dividends. You use it to buy more shares. Now you have more than GHS 1000 invested. Year 2, the company pays a 5% dividend again, but this time it's on your original shares plus the new shares you bought. Your dividend payment is now bigger. You use that bigger dividend to buy even more shares. This cycle continues, growing your investment like a snowball rolling downhill. Your money is making money, which then makes more money, and so on. Over time, this small, consistent action can lead to massive growth. Pros and cons of dividend reinvesting. There's no such thing as a perfect strategy, so here are the vital facts you need to consider. Dividend reinvesting is useful in the following ways. Automated growth. It's set it and forget it. Your money works for you without you having to do anything. It's disciplined and removes emotion from the process. Dollar cost averaging. Since you are reinvesting at different times of the year, your money is buying shares at different prices. This helps to smooth out market volatility and lowers your average cost per share. Commission-free. With many DRIPs, you can buy these new shares without paying a brokerage fee, which saves you money. Dividend reinvesting has the following downsides. Lack of cash. You won't receive the cash from your dividends, so if you need that money for living expenses, this might not be the best strategy for you. Portfolio imbalance. By constantly reinvesting in the same company, your portfolio can become too concentrated in one stock. This is a risk to your diversification, spreading your money across different investments. For a young investor focused on building wealth for the long term, dividend reinvesting is a no-brainer. It takes advantage of compounding, which is one of the most powerful forces in investing. If you're not relying on your investments for income right now, putting your dividends back to work is one of the smartest things you can do. Ready to take control of your future? Ask your broker about a DRIP for the companies you own. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment, like, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.